Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed Norfolk with another new listing. This is a just off hire this week. Bounty 37, so mid to late 70s, possibly into the early 80s in that window. The exact date is very hard to discern. This is the exterior, running a Kubota based nanny diesel. Very tidy example, one of these. Not a lot of these coming off the hire fleet these days. So relatively rare animal. I'm listing a few single levels, but I think this is the only Bounty. All pretty tidy, good solid side decks. I've walked around the deck. Large sliding hatch. Lets you see into the boat. You can see all that on an interior video in a moment. These boats are known for their large forward well. Absolutely lovely place to spend time. As you can see, pretty tidy for one of these. Definitely probably one of the nicer Bounties on this fleet. Let's just cross over to another boat. Excuse the jerk. And excuse the jerk taking the video. So as you can see, really nice example. Always popular, the Bounty 37, and this one is lovely inside. You'll see that on the next video. If you'd like further information on this delightful Bounty 37, just off hire, please contact me, Steve Biggs at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.